Good morning, dear students. Today I am going to teach you the 12th lesson of your science book, which is We Need Water. Students, water is very important for all living things. Is this true? Yes. Can we live without water? No. Water is very important for all living things. It is present in wells, rivers, ponds, lakes, seas, and ocean. Where water is present? Wells, rivers, ponds, lakes, seas, and ocean. Do you know from where we get water? Where this water comes from? In wells, river, ponds, lake, seas and ocean. From where this water comes? Yes, we get water from rain. This rain water fill all the water bodies like seas, river, pond, etc. This rainwater, that means rainwater is the main source of water. So here, W is time given. Write the name of the source of water. Use words from the box. Here are given some pictures and this is the clue. You have to choose and fill it. So students, do you guess which picture is this? This is small and this is small. So this is called pond. This is sea. This picture is of river. And this is the picture of rain. We see that rainwater is the main source of water. It fills all ponds, lakes, seas, ocean and river. Now, do you know water has many uses? Water is needed for many activities. All living things need to drink water to stay alive. All living things what need to stay alive? Drink water to stay alive. Plants also need water to make food. Plants need water to make food. Even animals need water for drinking and bathing. Okay, animal also need water for drinking and bathing. Water is used in many ways. So let's see. Animal need water to drink. We need water to stay alive. Water is needed for bathing. Plants need water to make food. We use water to cook food. We use water to wash clothes. We use water to put out fire. Now here is Dobby. Here Dobby want to know during which festival do we play with colored water? In which festival we play with colored water? Have you guessed? Yes, in Holi. In Holi we all play with colored water. So students, do you know sea water is salty? The taste of sea water is salty. and dirty also. It is not safe for drinking. Now here again W wants to know, we use water for many activities. This is true. So you have to write some names of the activities that given below. In this picture, this boy, what is this doing? Swimming. 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 This man is washing his car, so he is washing. This boy is brushing his teeth. And this woman is cleaning the house. So we see here many activities, like water is used for swimming, washing, brushing, cleaning. The next activity is like cooking. So we must drink at least 8 to 10 glass of water every day. Okay, how much water we have to drink? 8 to 10 glass of water every day. At home we get water from taps. In our home, from where we get water? From taps. And we should use this water with care. We should not waste water. Okay, we should boil or filter tap water before drinking it. We should not drink water directly from tap. We should boil or filter tap water. Filter means clean. Clean tap water before drinking it. See in this picture, boiling and process of filtering. We can, do you know where we can store water? We can store water in many things like bucket, tank, bottle, pot. There are so many objects where we hold water. Now take care. There are some good things that you should follow. Always drink clean water. Dirty water can make you sick. Students, always drink clean water. Close the tap after use. Whenever you use the tap, close the tap. Keep drinking water covered. Always covered drinking water. Never drink water directly from river and lakes. Okay, never drink water directly from rivers and lakes. Why? Because germs is present there. So if you drink that water, you may sick. So students, we learned that from this chapter, water is very precious and we should not waste water. We should not dirty our water bodies. Do you know why we boil the water and why we filter the water? Because by filtering or boiling, it kills the germs in water. Now here Dobby's time. Draw a picture of 3 containers in which you can store water. Here you have to draw 3 containers where you can hold waters like bucket, bottle, tank. So draw it and read this lesson. Thank you.